Hello Altspace Pals, and to anyone else who's watching. This is hopefully going to explain, I'm going to take you through step by step how I get tilt brush models into Altspace. It's pretty straightforward, but you do have to get it right from the start. So the first thing is I use the Unity hub, and make sure that the install you're going to be using is this one, 2020.3.9 F1. At least that's the current one that Altspace is recommending we use at the moment, as far as I'm aware, and it's working for me right now. So projects, we'll just add a new one, make sure it's the right version. Yes it is. I'll just leave it at new Unity project and let it do its stuff, starting a new project. So that's all loaded up. The next thing we need to do is to get the tilt brush toolkit. To do that, we go here, make a note of this, github.com/google-vr/tilt-brush-toolkit/releases, and just get the most recent version. So you download it here. And once you have it downloaded, I've just stuck it in its own folder so it's easy to find. As long as you've got your project open, just double click on that and it'll take you back to your project with this little box. Just hit import. If you get this box here, don't worry, it's a brand new project, don't need to make a backup, just say go ahead. And once that's imported, you should have two new folders down here, third party and tilt brush, and you should have a menu item up here. So now close your project and come back to here. We now need the mixed reality feature tool, and you will find that here, microsoft.com/en-us/details.aspx?id = 102778, or more easily just find it here to docs en-us windows blah blah blah. I just googled it, just look for Windows mixed reality feature tool download and you'll get this, and under download just click on that link there and you'll come to it, and just hit the big red download button. Once you've downloaded it, it says in install instructions, very easy, you just put it somewhere you can find it and unzip it, and that's it, it's ready to use. So once you have your mixed reality feature tool unzipped, you double click on the executable, hit start, and navigate to your project folder. Mine is what I called just before, new Unity project number 1. Just navigate to there and click open. Discover features, Altspace VR, select all, get features, import, approve, exit. That's it, that's all you have to do. So then open up your project again. Now I'm assuming you already know how to get the GLB file from your Quest 2 headset to the PC. Now that you've installed the Altspace uploader from the mixed reality tool thing, you've got this extra menu item. So we've now got tilt brush and Altspace VR. Open up Altspace VR, build settings. I like to drag it over here so it's out the way, and I'm just going to log in quickly. Okay, so I'm logged in. First thing I want to do is find my GLB file, and here it is. So we just drag it into there. And that's it in. I'm just going to drag it in there as well. So there's my little thing that I did in like all of 30 seconds to show you what I do. I'm going to add a plane so I don't fall through the world when I go in and check it out. Damn, Lisa, what you doing? And I'm just going to increase the size just in case I back up and fall off the edge. And I'll change the colour as well because it's a bit bright and I don't want to be blinded by it, so I'll just create a material quickly. I'm not even going to bother naming it. Just change the colour to maybe a darkish grey. That might do. Okay, that'll do. And I'm also going to stick a cube in just to see where the object is in relation to the spawn point. So cube, I'll just reset that as well. And it's kind of going to be on top of us, so I'm just going to drag that back a bit so that when we spawn in we'll be looking at it. So that'll do. And that's basically it. I don't think there's anything else to do. Literally just a case of creating a new template. So I'm going to call it Tilt Brush Tut for tutorial. And then load my template that I've just created. So it happens to be on page 3. I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to do a Windows build and build and upload. And that's it done. And go back here and just double check it. Do a quick refresh. 0.4 megs, less than a minute ago. Fine. So I'll just create a quick world. Tilt Brush Tut. We'll make it 00 so it's easy to find. Private unlisted. I don't want anyone to come in. Thank you very much. Scroll down till you find your... Where did I put it? There it is. Tilt Brush Tut. Create world. And I'm just going to enter and see what happens. And there it is. If I move in on it, you can see the animations are working. We've got our little lights. Everything seems to be working fine. So yeah, I hope that has helped somewhat. Thank you and good morning. I'm off for some lunch.